I've lost 10.4 kgs and so
अरे वाह,
happy.
क्या बात है,
बहुत हैप्पी।
क्या बात।
इंचेस में मैंने वेस्ट में 10.5 लूज किया है और फोर फोर इन ऑन माय हिप्स इंचेस 4 inches on my
ओह,
4.5 inches in my hips about it. So all my
ये तो
parameters has come to normal. My calcium is normal, my vitamin D is normal, my B12 is all normal. It's such
अरे
a
वाह।
fantastic. I mean, I can frame the report and keep it. Was God given report. It was so good report.
There is a lot of confidence in her that has come because of this weight loss. She has a special glow on her face as well. It's something that we've noticed as her kids.
12,000 रुपए का ये पहला पुरस्कार। ये पर्दा हटा 65 से इन्होंने शुरू किया था अपना जर्नी। 65.250, 10 किलो 400 ग्राम इनका वजन कम हुआ है। 54.850 इनका वजन आया। पूरे 25 मार्क्स। 15.16% के आसपास वेट लॉस हुआ है। 25 मार्क्स दोनों में इनको फुल फुल मार्क्स मिलते हैं। इनके इंच लॉस भी 25.75 हुए हैं। 13.86% का वेट लॉस इंच लॉस है। ये है चित्रलेखा भट्ट जी। चित्रलेखा जी, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। चित्रलेखा जी के लिए तालियां बजा दी जाए। सब लोग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तालियां
Thank you,
बजा दें।
sir. Thank
आप भी
you.
तालियां बजाएं।
Thank you.
जी जी।
Thank you,
थैंक यू
sir.
सो मच।
Thank
ये
you so
एक
much.
कमाल है। एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत विचारधारा का एक खूब ही खूबसूरत, जब आपके अंदर से विचार निकलते हैं ब्रह्मांड में भी ये बातें जाती हैं और यूनिवर्स की तरफ से सभी को आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है। आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो चित्रलेखा जी। कैसा लग रहा है अब आप?
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। पहले मैंने आपका ब्रॉडकास्ट देखी थे तो
जी
उसमें आई आई डिडंट मैंने कुछ भी दूसरा थॉट नहीं किया।
जी।
फर्स्ट आई वेंट एंड रजिस्टर्ड माई सेल्फ। आई वॉन्ट टू डू
वेरी
इट।
नाइस।
आई
ओके
जस्ट रजिस्टर्ड ब्लाइंडली। आई जस्ट
ओके
सॉ खाना खाओ वजन घटाओ। I just saw that and immediately I had registered myself. And then
ओके।
the Tuesday webinar had come where they were and it went on till 12 o'clock that
या
day. Yeah.
या ट्यूसडे का वेबिनार हमारा सब ऑल द टाइम इट इज अंटिल 12 o'clock इट गोज। या
Yes. So, but it was very, very interesting, and I didn't have a slight doubt also that why did I join it? I was so
ओके
confident. First day, oh, positiveness, oh, I mean, I had that vibes with me. It was so good. It was, I mean, I used to sleep a peaceful sleep. I never used to get a
ओके
disturbed sleep. And of course, I used to get up at before 4. I used to get up always because your program used to wake me up automatically without an alarm,
ओके
without anything.
ओके।
I
वेरी
enjoyed.
नाइस।
I enjoyed very much, Sudhir sir.
सो
My one of my daughter has joined. I've
दिस इज
got two
व्हाट यू सेड।
daughters.
यस। या
Yeah, one of the daughter has joined, and
ओके
thank you so much. I'm so delighted. 3 o'clock and 10 o'clock, automatically I feel thirsty. Automatically, I have to have water. It's
जी।
all become so automated because of the 3 months
या
program.
या।
एकदम
So that is
automation
the
हो गया
reason
है जैसे।
that is the reason that we run this 90 days ka program, and it is
हाँ,
this funda is scientifically proven. 7 days you learn new things, 21 days it becomes your habit, and 90 days it becomes your lifestyle. So that's why only one program that we run, which is a 90 days ka program. Yeah,
हाँ, हाँ।
इसलिए कोई 6 महीने का नहीं है, कोई 1 month का भी नहीं है। So 90 days is a meaningful duration. Chitralekha ji, thank you so much. Wish you all the
One
very
of the
best and heartiest
best
congratulations. Thank
बेस्ट
you.
प्रोग्राम इन द लेकिन जैसे हम बेसिकली what we used to have, our ancient people used to have, my mother used to keep forcing, why you're having so little, have something. That the same thing has been passed to my children. They
Yeah,
also have so little. I don't know why this funda of having little food is come to our table. But
yeah.
you have taught us the correct direction.
ठीक है ना?
Marvelous,
Congr
marvelous
con
program. Thank you
congratulations,
so
congratulations. ये ब्रह्मा जी
much.
का वाक्य है जो सभी लोगों के जीवन में आज आशा जी के माध्यम से उतर गया है। कहिए क्या
Uh,
कहना चाहेंगे?
Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते।
Actually, she's my mother, and I'm very
अच्छा
happy
अच्छा
that
अच्छा।
she won.
ओके
Yes,
ओके
yes,
ओके
yes.
ओके।
I've seen her daily, dedicate herself to this program. She
क्या
has not missed a single day of this program. She was so dedicated, so, hardworking, and we are very proud that she has reached the first place.
यस
It's a
या
very great achievement of hers, and
यस।
her skin is glowing. Everyone are complimenting her, and we feel very proud to look at her like this.
अभी
So
देखिए 11 बजे
thank you
तक
so
बैठे
much.
हुए हैं वो, एंड शी
Ah,
इज सिटिंग स्ट्रेट ऑन द वुडन चेयर्स,
yes,
है ना?
yes,
गुड। सब
yes.
लोग बैठे हुए हैं और सबका एनर्जी का लेवल्स है। निशा जी हो, चित्रलेखा जी हो, नैना जी हो, एवरीबडी इज सिटिंग अंटिल 11 o'clock एंड जस्ट सिटिंग डूइंग नथिंग, जस्ट सिटिंग एंड एक्सपीरियंसिंग। और साधना जी, आपने चित्रलेखा जी ने भी ये ट्रस्ट दिखाया, सभी ने यहाँ पे अनलोड में ट्रस्ट दिखाया।
एक्चुअली जैसे आपने ये प्रोग्राम के वेट लगाया अनलोड, उस दिन मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड वी वर टॉकिंग, इट्स सच अ apt name for the whole program. Fantastic program, ma'am. It's such a beautiful program. और ये अट्रैक्ट हुआ कि खाकर वेट लॉस करना है, क्योंकि हम ये मिथ में है कि अभी हम लोग नहीं खाना है और फिर रिड्यूस होगा, एक्सरसाइज करना है और फिर रिड्यूस होगा, यही मिथ था हमारे पास। लेकिन आप तो सब बदल दिया है, सब ये फॉर्मूला तो एकदम रिवर्स हुआ है। इट्स so happiness in life that we can eat and reduce weight. It's fantastic program. The meal plan and so tailor made. Iga, now it's this meal plan is so tailor made that we have to go to the tailor to reduce size.
कपड़ों का साइज रिड्यूस करने के लिए अब टेलर कपड़े लेके जाने पड़ रहे हैं आपको उसको रिपेयर कराने के लिए,
सब
टाई
अभी
करवाने के लिए।
साइज सब कम करना है अभी। आई हैव लॉस्ट 10.4 kgs and so
अरे वाह,
happy,
क्या बात है,
बहुत हैप्पी।
क्या बात।
इंचेस में मैंने वेस्ट में 10.5 लूज किया है और फोर इन ऑन माय हिप्स, इंचेस 4 inches on my
ओह
4.5 inches in my hips. Your because everyone tells that we have to eat less and lose weight. That is the trend. It's the trend, and poor thing, the children also they are following that, and they are losing that happiness in life, I feel. वो हैप्पीनेस आएगा जब हम लोग खाएंगे और जब हम लोग खुश रहेंगे, तो तो we are losing that. And today when I learned about that, my daughter has joined your course. Sadhna is her name. She has also
ओके
joined. Yeah, she's joined this
ओके
month, and
ओके गुड।
she's also very happy. She's just finished her 15 days of the course, but she's happy with the course. And the program is fantastic, ma'am. Fantastic. आप तो धन्य हो, गुरुजी.
थैंक यू सो मच जी
Yeah,
चित्रलेखा
Sudhir
जी।
sir about it. So all my parameters has come to normal. My calcium is normal. My vitamin D is normal. My B12 is all normal. It's such
अरे
a
वाह,
fantastic. I mean, I can frame the report and keep it. Was God-given report. It was so good report,
अरे
ma'am.
वाह, क्या बात है, अरे वाह, क्या बात है।
Yes.
Yes, we have joined the meeting. Just wanted to thank you. We've seen a lot of changes in her. There is a lot of confidence. We can see her, even in public. There is a lot of confidence in her that has come because of this weight loss. She has a special glow on her face as well. It's something that we've noticed as her kids. So thank you so much for your program. She has followed it very meticulously, very diligently. She has not skipped even one meal, and that dedication, I must give a special mention to that dedication to her. And I think because of that, she has received this result, which is supposed to, that this result is because of that dedication.
It's
So
fantastic.
you have given that framework, and she has followed it to the final letter. So that is what has helped her with this transformation. And thank you so much for mentoring her into getting this shape now. We are all very happy.
Ma'am, really, आपने कितना रिसर्च किया है करके मैं आई एम जस्ट वंडरिंग सो मच ऑफ research, so much of I mean hardship you must have taken to find this solution. I mean eating and reducing. आज भी मुझे pinch करना है क्या? Really, I'm eating and reducing weight. So it shows how much your team has worked into it, ma'am. I mean every soul should get this information that yes, it is possible. It is that program. It is the lifestyle which we have to follow is unload. Unload is the ultimate. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
जी
और
चित्रलेखा
सुधीर
जी।
सर को और आपको मेरा प्रणाम।
जी तो
Thank
और
you, ma'am.
बिटिया को कैसा लगा, जो आपकी बिटिया है उनको कैसा लगा?
मुझे भी बहुत
नहीं,
खुशी हुआ।
मम्मी के अंदर आप क्या चेंजेस देख रहे हैं?
Yeah, she's glowing, she's happy. Even I feel like doing this, whatever she has, this thing. And like how she's told that, why are you eating? Like yesterday only, I was just eating one chapati. So she was like, you eat, you join the program, you will get to know the way of living. And I have a son also. So she told me that not just me, I can teach my son and help him, build a healthy lifestyle. And we are very happy, especially with her health and about her parameters and all of that. That's a valuation, and that's a hard proof that it has actually helped her. So my thank you to you and your team.
मुझे तो फिर ज्वाइन करना है करके लग रही है अभी। फिर और एक बार आपके साथ जुड़ जाने। आपने बोला हम लोग अनलोड में हो जाने से तो अनलोड का फैमिली हो गया, लेकिन आई मिस यू, आई रियली मिस यू। मिस यू।
जी चित्रलेखा जी, बिल्कुल आप मिस नहीं करेंगे, और जब आपका दिल करे तब आप हमसे बात कर सकते हो, जब चाहो तब कनेक्ट भी कर सकते हो। ओके चित्रलेखा जी,
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू
Thank you,
सो
ma'am.
मच।